Odonga speaks out on political fatigue. All Ugandans are suffering from political fatigue. Former Haru County MP Odonga has started fresh debate after declaring that all Ugandans are suffering from political fatigue. Otto argued that citizens across the country are exhausted by constant political contestation, repeated campaign cycles, and what he described as limited improvement in household livelihoods. According to Otto, many Ugandans are no longer energized by political rhetoric because their daily concerns, jobs, income stability, and service delivery remain pressing. He warned that when politics becomes a continuous battleground without visible results, the population gradually disconnects. Otto emphasized that leaders must move beyond slogans and focus on restoring public trust through tangible action.
In politics, we say adaptability is the key to political longevity. Even when the wind is blowing, if the big trees don't bend, they get broken by the wind. So for me, cross-pollination is a very normal thing. I wish Zimbabwe well. There are Ugandans who feel betrayed that a member of opposition all of a sudden is putting on yellow. Of course, it's not a nice thing to see someone in blue and then tomorrow in yellow. It traumatizes the voters that these are moles, these are traitors, these are mulondo, whatever the word is. But let me tell you, the whole of Ugandans, all of us, we are suffering from political fatigue. We have not seen change of power. In Kenya, where we have had 4 presidents, crossing political parties is normal. Breakfast time, I am in DP. Dinner, I am in NRM. It is a very normal thing. Cross-pollination is normal.
Advice to Bobi Wine. In a related comment, Otto offered unsolicited counsel to opposition leader Bobi Wine, born Robert Chagulanyi. My free advice to Chagulanyi is not to come back. He should stay there for a while. Otto said he suggested that temporary distance from Uganda's heated political atmosphere could provide space for reflection and strategic recalibration. The remarks generated mixed reactions, with some supporters viewing the advice as controversial while others interpreted it as a tactical opinion. Otto maintained that timing and strategy are critical in politics, especially during periods of heightened tension.
Okay. First of all, I am happy to hear Chagulanyi is in Geneva. He's safe and in breath. The other time I was on this same talk show, I was worried that he could be in danger here. I wish him to stay well. My free advice for him is not to come back. He should stay there for a while, because I have seen now this morning the Minister of Foreign Affairs is saying if he comes back he may be charged for treason. So why would a young man who is energetic, who wishes well for many young people, why should he come and join Besige in Luzira? You know, why? So you stay there for a while.
Honorable Dan Kimosho on Sibimbi's move. Meanwhile, Honorable Dan Kimosho weighed in on recent political developments involving Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe has left the group of politically cheating men, Kimosho stated, implying that the shift signaled independence and principle. He further defended Zimbabwe's decision, adding nothing wrong with what Zimbabwe did.
What Zimbabwe has done is a cheating man who has formalized the marriage. And he has left many cheating men, politically cheating men. If the list came here, you would know how many politically cheat, and when they come on big show or on big talk, they pray to the gallery as if they are the saints. So I want to welcome him. I want to thank him for being brave. But where did you want him to stay?
Odonga also supported the move by Zimbabwe, saying nobody paid his school fees and that it is his personal decision to move away from FDC and join the ruling party NRM. Obore's leadership remark revisited. Otto also referenced former President Milton Obore, noting that Bobi studied at Gulu High School and once remarked that leadership keeps one from cleaning the toilet. The anecdote was repeated for emphasis, highlighting Ottawa's broader reflection on power and humility. By invoking Bobi's words, Ottawa cautioned against entitlement in public office. He stressed that leadership should remain rooted in service rather than privilege, urging today's politicians to reconnect with the everyday struggles of ordinary Ugandans.
President Obote studied in Gulai, and he once said that if there are 3 toilets to be cleaned and the head teacher calls 3 students to clean the toilet, each one should clean their own. He said leadership is telling the other 2 that you clean the other one, and then the other one clean the other one, then you combine and clean the third one. So leadership keeps you away from cleaning the toilet. You organize the 2 people to clean and they all live happy. Some of us, I was personally in prison, incarcerated with Elias Lukwago. The moment they tell you remove your shoes, remove your belts, you start looking an inmate. The moment you get inside there, you have to see how you style up. You have to start offering leadership. You have to start cooperating with the prison warders. Otherwise, you sleep next to the door. So circumstances what change. So for me, I don't see anything absolutely wrong with what Sibambi did. It is a personal decision. No one paid his school fees at university. He has decided to join the ruling party. Maybe he may be lucky to get a ministerial appointment, and he plays his role.